As a leader
of Mbale City, I'm not satisfied with the services of Dott because it is calling for lives of people instead of people enjoying inside their money just because they don't want to finish work. Today they want extension, tomorrow they ask extension. People are dying everywhere, people are suffering everywhere, people are getting problems, insecurity. All roads are blocked because of their poor way of doing things. Really in Mbale, we are almost condemning the services of Dott because all roads have been extended since last year up to date. Instead, we are now registering the death. It's more than enough. They should style up. Otherwise, we are not ready to receive more death like we are receiving. The one we have just received right now at the public street. On Manafa Road it's the same. Mugisu Hill is the same. In town it's the same. What are we doing? Then they should expedite the process of accomplishing all the roads within Mbale City. And the leaders must play their part to make sure that the works are done and must be timely. We shall not be on the roads which was supposed to be done last year up to now. Instead of going to another phase, we are still on the same. And people are dying. Really?